Locauto Car Rental Honest Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. Locauto is a car rental service popular in Italy, but most people get this wrong. They assume the price you see online is all you pay. The surprising truth is that Locauto pricing depends on car type, rental duration, insurance, and optional extras. Economy cars can start around 20 per day, while SUV and larger vehicles can exceed 70 per day. You won't believe how much insurance adds. Basic coverage is included, but full protection, GVs, and additional driver fees can significantly increase the total cost. Seasonal demand also affects rates, with summer and holidays being notably higher. Most people get this wrong by focusing solely on the base rate. They overlook fuel policies, mileage limits, and cross-border restrictions. Booking directly through Locauto often provides clearer pricing and flexible cancellation options. In conclusion, Locauto pricing reflects vehicle type, insurance, and extras. By understanding base rates, optional services, and seasonal changes, you go from zero to pro in budgeting your car rental and ensuring a smooth driving experience in Italy.